Hi, Tony Lisi, Customer Support Manager here at Lyco Manufacturing. Today's deep dive is all about mechanical service. Did you know reactive maintenance can be extremely expensive? It's estimated that up to 1/3 of all breakdowns can be prevented with basic preventative maintenance. If you're having issues with your Lyco, our service team is ready to help. We start with a remote troubleshooting session. Once diagnosed, we'll make sure we have the correct parts. Then if needed, we will deploy our Lyco certified technicians to repair your equipment. After the repair, you will receive a comprehensive report with additional action items if needed. Whatever your needs are, we can help. Servicing and supporting our customers is a top priority, especially when it comes to keeping your equipment running smoothly. Our service team is here and available to you 24/7.